All right, guys, here's your example. So we are going to be looking for the value of the series to find the answer to our sequence. And we've got 3 steps. Step 1, find the value of the series. What numbers are going to be included in this from 3 to 5? So we have 3, 4, and 5, which means I got to do 3 mini problems, plugging each one into this equation. First off, I got 2. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20, so 20 over 4 gives me 5. Next, I have plugging in a 4. So 2 times 4 squared plus 2 over 4. 4 squared is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. So that's 34 plus 4, which gives me about 8.5, I think. Yeah, because this reduced to 17 over 2. So that would be 8.5. And again, you can just use your calculator. I'm using my head. Third one, we're going to plug in 5. 2 times 5 squared plus 2 over 4. 5 squared is 25. 25 times 2 is 50. 50 plus 2 is 52. So I get 52 over 4, which gives us 13. Now, if I add those 3 answers together, I get 26.5. Because 5 plus 8 is 13. 13.5 plus 13 is 26.5. So my x value is 26.5. I'm going to put that over here for now because I got to use it later. That's step 1. Step 2, I've got to start looking at my sequence. So over here, I found this x from the series. Now I got to find d from the sequence, and then I can plug them together. So I have some values I can use. My equation is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 to the times d. So I know a sub 1 is going to have to be 2, and that's not going to change. And I know that these 2 numbers are the other 2. It's going to be 3 and 4. The whole thing equals 4, so the whole thing equals 4. And then the sub number is 3, so the n is going to be 3. That gives me 4 equals 2 plus 2d. Subtracting 2 from both sides, I get 2 equals 2d, which would divide out to give me d equals 1. So now I have x equals 26.5, and I know that d equals 1. So I can use these pieces to finish out the problem with the last step. So I got to use this equation one more time, except now I get to use the numbers that I've been saving up. So I don't know this. That's what I'm looking for. I do know a sub 1. It's 2. I do know this mystery value because I found it in the first step. And I do know d because I just found it. So if I simplify, that's 2 plus 26.5 minus 1 is 25.1. I'm sorry, 25.5 times 1, which is the same thing. And that gives me 27.5 as my final answer. So on this test, you will have a blank, and you will have a multiple choice option to pick from these answers. Because if you got these 2, you will get this one. There's also a file upload link for you to upload your work. So if you're not getting what I'm getting, and if your answer differs from the multiple choice, then upload your work. Because if you made a silly mistake somewhere and you can't find it, it's very much worth showing me your work. If you get it wrong and you don't show any work, then it's 100% wrong. Each question is worth 3 points. So if you get the answer wrong but your work was right, then I'll give you benefit of the doubt and you'll get some credit. So good luck on that, and bye.